Don't judge people who are married to many wives. They are better than a man who married to one wife. He is cheating to his wife. Sometimes it's very dangerous. Guys, every man can sleep with another woman outside there. It can't happen. You say you are alone. Yes, you are alone. You are the only wife. Other men, they don't cheat. But the most of them, they can go outside there and sleep with other women because they want to test other women. It's normal when it becomes to men. So sometimes those men who bring wives and say he wants to marry that woman to make his wife, it's better because he is living his truly life. So sometimes those people who have got polygamy, they can go to clinic most of the times and being tested for their health. So it's better than your man. He is cheating outside there. He is cheating with many women, and those women, they are sleeping with other men again. So your husband can bring a disease to you. You can get sick anytime because the guys, it's very dangerous. Your husband, maybe he doesn't wear plastic, outside there. So sometimes it's very dangerous. Most of them, they don't wear those plastics. So sometimes don't judge people who have got polygamy because they are living their truly lives than people who can keep their life secret. Those people are dangerous, guys. You can get sick anytime as a married woman. You say you are married, but your husband can bring that disease to you. So don't judge those people because in polygamy, yes, there is a lot of things, but when they are staying maybe in different houses, you build the different homes, but they know each other that they are married to one man. It's better than a man who is cheating to his wife. Guys, most of them, they are going out. It's not about maybe you don't catch him or messages in his phone or what, but most of them, but other, they don't do it because we can't say most of them sometimes. But guys, the number of them, they can go outside there and sleep with other women as a man, or he have got a girlfriend. Other girlfriends, they are like wives to them, and you don't know your husband, he have got maybe another family outside there. Other men, guys, they can keep a secret because they know that you don't want to have polygamy. You don't want Eastern. Yes, polygamy is not good sometimes. It affects sometimes because there is good advantages and bad advantages on polygamy because guys, there is guys, sometimes you know that in life there is bad side and good side in life. Even in polygamy, there is bad side and good side because in polygamy, most of them, they are fighting, but it's better because they are living their truly lives.